What if the humble chocolate chip cookie could transcend into a culinary masterpiece? Today, on AI Chef, we embark on a delectable journey to craft the ultimate iteration of this beloved classic. A symphony of textures, a balanced dance of sweet and savory, all optimized by the analytical prowess of AI. Let's begin by preheating our oven to 190 degrees Celsius, or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures consistent baking and that quintessential golden brown hue that signifies cookie perfection. Now for the very essence of our cookie dough. In a spacious bowl, we'll cream together 113 grams of softened unsalted butter, 80 grams of granulated sugar, and 100 grams of packed light brown sugar. This foundational process is crucial. It introduces air, creating a light and ethereal base. Continue creaming for approximately 3 minutes, pausing to scrape down the bowl's sides as needed. Our AI culinary model, having analyzed the butter's precise fat content and the ambient room temperature, has determined that this specific creaming duration maximizes air incorporation, leading to a delightfully lighter and chewier cookie. Next, we'll incorporate 1 large egg and 1 large egg yolk, both at room temperature, beating them in until thoroughly combined. This emulsification process seamlessly blends the fats and liquids, establishing a cohesive and robust dough structure. Now let's stir in 10 milliliters, or 2 teaspoons, of pure vanilla extract. Its mere aroma is captivating. Vanilla enhances the perception of sweetness and introduces a subtle layer of sophisticated complexity. In a separate medium bowl, whisk together 240 grams of all-purpose flour, 5 grams of baking soda, and 2.5 grams of salt. This ensures a uniform distribution of the leavening agent and seasoning. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing on low speed until they are just combined. The key here is to avoid overmixing. Doing so can result in tough cookies. We desire a tender crumb. Now for the true stars of this show, 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips. We'll gently fold them into the dough until they're uniformly distributed. Imagine the delightful burst of melty chocolate in each delectable bite. Drop rounded tablespoons, approximately 45 grams each, of the prepared dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Allow for roughly 5 centimeters or 2 inches of space between each cookie to accommodate spreading during baking. For an even chewier, more satisfying texture, consider chilling the dough for a minimum of 30 minutes before baking. AI analysis of dough hydration levels indicates that this brief chill allows the gluten to relax and the diverse flavors to fully meld, ultimately contributing to a more gratifying cookie experience. Bake for a duration of 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges achieve a golden brown hue while the centers remain slightly soft to the touch. Remember, the baking process will continue on the heated cookie sheet after removal from the oven. We're aiming for that quintessential equilibrium of crisp edges and a delightfully chewy interior. The moment that alluring aroma permeates your kitchen is a moment of pure magic. Upon baking completion, allow the cookies to cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before carefully transferring them to a wire rack to fully cool. Patience is key here. This critical cooling phase is essential. It allows the cookies to properly set and develop their signature, delightfully chewy texture. Resist the understandable urge to devour them immediately, although we certainly understand that temptation. And there you have it, perfectly chewy, melt-in-your-mouth chocolate chip cookies, refined by the insightful capabilities of AI. A true testament to the synergistic power of combining cherished culinary tradition with state-of-the-art technology. Take a bite, gently close your eyes, savor the symphony of textures, the explosion of flavors, the comforting warmth. The initial crispy edges yielding to a soft, chewy center. The rich chocolate melting luxuriously on your tongue. This transcends a simple cookie, it's a complete sensory experience. Eager to elevate your cookie creations even further? Experiment with different chocolate varieties, incorporate nuts for added texture, or even introduce a subtle hint of peanut butter. The creative possibilities are virtually limitless. You can discover the complete recipe details conveniently located in the video description below. If you found this eye-powered culinary adventure enjoyable and insightful, please give this video a thumbs up in appreciation, share it with your fellow food enthusiasts, and subscribe to AI Chef for a continuous stream of innovative recipes and exclusive behind-the-scenes AI insights. What tantalizing dish should AI Chef explore next? Share your suggestions in the comments.